Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you all about this True wireless Bluetooth headset from the brand Truk. It's their Truk Fit Pro True wireless Bluetooth headset. Power of True Beats. And here you can see it's a TWS instant pairing, secure fit, deep bass, and a 500 mAh charging case. And also Bluetooth version is 5.0, charging time 90 minutes, playtime 4.5 hours, headphone battery is 40 mAh, and the charging case battery is 500 mAh. Connection distance is 10 meters, standby duration 72 hours, call duration 4 hours, charging interface is Type-C, net weight is only 48 grams. Talk time, music, playback and charging time are mentioned under ideal lab conditions, and the daily usage actual time may vary. And the color is green. It's a basil green color, and it's made in China, but it's a German based company. Truk is a German based company, but the product is made in China, and it is marketed in India. So the three companies are involved in making this product. You can see up to 24 hours of music, instant pairing and deep bass, and it's compatible with Windows, iOS and also Android. Now let's come to the earbuds. It comes in this cute, it's very cute kind of packaging. I really like this packaging, guys. And also the color, not to forget, it's basil green color. It looks so cute. And also it has got this tiny strap to hold.
You can easily carry this anywhere and go.
I really like this packaging, guys. And also it is made up of plastic, but it looks like it is made up of velvet. It has that elegant feel to it. It's very elegant looking and decent looking. And here comes the earbuds. You can see Truk earbuds. I'll show you all how to connect it to your mobiles. I hope everyone knows it, but for people who doesn't know, I'll show you all later on in this video. So let's stay connected. Okay, we'll keep this aside for a few minutes, and let's get into this user manual. You can see Truk Fit Pro B120 user manual. And here you get the product description.
And I will upload every pic of this page in this video, okay, or else it takes a lot of time.
It has got this pairing procedure and instructions for first time users, and also general functions and operations user manual. And also if you want to claim warranty, you need to register it within 10 days on their Truk website. And also you get this
Type-C charging cable.
And coming to the sound quality, it's very good, guys. It has got that 13mm speaker, so you get deep bass with that. And also the design is made of true snug fit dolphin design. It snugs or fits rightly into your ears, and it has got this dolphin design, you can see. And now I'll show you all how to connect it using your mobile. Okay, how to pair it. And here I'll show you all, guys, how to pair these earbuds. Okay, so firstly remove this earbuds. So at first the two earbuds start to blink, but within few seconds one stops blinking. So use your mobile, keep this aside, take your mobile and turn on Bluetooth. Go to settings, Bluetooth. Already it has paired, guys. You can see here True Fit Pro. Connect on that. It's connected. Okay, and now you can use these earbuds. And also to turn it off, just turn off the Bluetooth on your mobile. It will get disconnected. And if you wanted to charge, you need to put it back into this charging case, and you need to insert this in here, and you can
Insert this.
in any of your mobile charger which supports Type-C charging, and it gets charged. And also if you charge this for 30 minutes, you get 1 hour of playback. And if you like my video, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button and turn on the notification bell. And I forgot to mention the price, guys. Its original MRP was rupees, here you can see, it's 4,999, nearly 5k, but I got it for rupees 800. It's always available on discount on Amazon or Flipkart, and I definitely suggest you all to buy this product. It's definitely worth the price. It's been 2 months since I have purchased this,
And I haven't had any problem so far. So thank you for watching.
and if you like the product, I'll link the product details in the description box. You can check it out from there. Thank you for watching.